What's up, Blockheads? Going to be working on the Honda Grom today. Going to be doing a walkthrough showing you guys how to install a Dynojet tuner. So this is a Dynojet Power Series. Pretty sure it's the V or the 5. Anyways, I'll drop a link to this down below. So this episode actually brought to you guys in part by Get Lowered Cycles. Normally they have stuff for Harley-Davidsons, but they are able to get Dynojets. So if you guys are interested in scooping one up, be sure to go check them out. I will drop links down in the description below. All right, so installing this is pretty easy. Basically, this is your ECU, or right, the brains of the bike. So it's just got this little grommet piece that goes over it. Grommet. All right, so once you've got it free, you're gonna want to disconnect it. There's this button here. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and leave that. We're gonna open this up first. All right, so in the box you have installation manual. You have the actual unit, the Power Commander V or 5 fuel injection module, and you have a USB cable, which you will need. You also have a couple pieces of Velcro for mounting options, and then a couple little plugs, which we're going to use. Got some stickers in there as well. So this Power Commander module, yeah, it's basically a fuel injection module. It retunes your air-fuel ratio. So since I have the intake and an exhaust on the Grom, it needs to be retuned. So that's what this does. So you do have a little spots on the top here, and those are actually for like little expansion packs. So I'm not going to be using expansion packs. That's if you want to install like a quick shifter as well, stuff like that, and auto tuner. Since I'm not going to be doing that, I'm just going to use these little plugs to plug those up. All right, so the unit itself is pretty much plug and play. You've got a couple different harness ends here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the ECU and we're going to plug it into this piece, which basically wires off, you know. So now you're just kind of left with these things hanging out, right? So you got to figure out how to route them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the power control module pretty much just like in there, and then I'm going to try and reuse this rubber harness piece, attach it back there. All right, so I put the little Velcro pieces on the back of that so that it would stay secure. This, I'm just gonna run that excess line onto the fairing. So whenever we put the fairings back on, and then the ECU, you know, we managed to just put right back where it goes there. So after we've got all that routed, this is the point in which we need to turn the bike on. We're gonna be using the USB cable and loading a tune onto the Power Commander. So I've set this up so that the opening is actually on the bottom. So that Velcro, just gonna have to take the Velcro off. Now this little opening on this side, open that. All right, so this is Miss Blockhead's old laptop. So to forgive the little flower. I'd have some manly shit on there, you know, like some skulls and crossbones. Just kidding, that's not my style. I usually go with like a plain wallpaper. Anyways, so what you're gonna have to do here is you're gonna have to download the Power Commander software, which is a free download, and then you go onto their site and you find the map that you need and you download the map. So this is the software, this is the map. So the map that I need is basically the one that says high flow intake, high flow exhaust. I think it actually says like some specific exhaust manufacturer, but like that'll do. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in, turn the bike on. We've got a power LED on the Power Commander, so that's good. We're gonna open up Power Commander software. Like I said, I'll provide links to all this in the description down below. All right, so then here you have your Power Commander or Dynojet software. Man, I'm not a fan of PC. So then here on the left side, you've got a little spot that says open map, save map, get map, or send map. So we're gonna go to open map. I have that map on the desktop, so I'm gonna go to desktop, select the map, map file, go to open, go to send, map sent successfully. So there we go. That's it. Crazy easy stuff, right? Let's crank it up, make sure it starts and all that. All right, that's good. So map is on there, map is sent, and if you want to get more into it, you can obviously look more into it. You can get a auto tuner if you need as well. But that is pretty much it. So at this point, I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to close this back up and reconnect it to the Velcro here, and then reinstall my fairings. So you do need to have this left fairing off to get to this piece. I have them off already. But yeah, that's how you install a Dynojet tuner onto a Honda Grom. So like I said, this one does say it's for 2014 to 2018 Honda Grom, so should fit a 2019 as well. More than likely it's gonna have the same harness, but like I said, I'll drop the links to everything down in the description below. I'll do a follow-up letting you guys know how it's running, but the other Grom that I did this to, it ran great, so I'm not expecting any hiccups. If you guys do have any questions, be sure to post them down in the comments below. Let me know. Just to give you guys a heads up, I'm not a licensed mechanic, just a dude who likes working on bikes in his garage. We got a couple bikes that we're working on right now. So I'm working on the Grom here. We're also working on Miss Blockhead's bike, and then I'm working on this bike over here, which is a Harley-Davidson Iron 883, and we're actually going to be giving that one away. So if you guys want to get in on that, be sure to sign up for Patreon at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. And at the end of that build, I'm going to be giving that motorcycle away to a patron, a Blockhead patron. You guys be sure to go join in if you're interested. Gave away a Grom already, which was pretty cool. Anyways, I hope that has been insightful if you guys are considering doing this. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know. I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. Big shout out once again to Get Lowered. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon also so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.